Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check third-party accounts in Google. If you're using a Google account and now you want to check that which have access to your Google account or in which third-party apps your Google account is logged in, so you just have to simply open your browser here and just select that specific Google account. And here, just click on your profile option here or you click on your Google account here. Just click on manage your Google account. And now on this screen, you will see the option of third-party connections. Just click on this option, and here you must see every single app and every single third-party service which have access to your Google account. So you can see I have my Google account in ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Canva. I'm going to delete it from anyone from here. So let's say I'm going to select Canva here and just select delete all connections you have with Canva or with specific service here. So just select this option, then select confirm. So once you have done, it will delete your complete account of Canva or any specific service which you have created using your Google account. So you can do the same step for any of your service from here. So let's say I want to select ChatGPT. Just select third-party connections from here, then select the specific services, select delete all connections, select confirm. So once I have done, it will delete all the connections and all the accounts you have using Google account. So in this way, you can easily see where your Google account is logged in and third-party services. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.